Amber Heard has appealed against the verdict of the defamation trial between her and ex-husband Johnny Depp. The star claimed the court made errors and acknowledged her latest move would ignite the Twitter bonfires. An official statement from her lawyers read, "We believe the court made errors that prevented a just and fair verdict consistent with the First Amendment. We are therefore appealing the verdict. While we realize today's filing will ignite the Twitter bonfires, there are steps we need to take to ensure both fairness and justice." A spokesperson for Johnny responded, "The jury listened to the extensive evidence presented during the 6-week trial and came to a clear and unanimous verdict that the defendant herself defamed Mr. Depp in multiple instances. We remain confident in our case and that this verdict will stand." Johnny sued Amber for defamation after she claimed to have become a figure representing domestic abuse in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed. She didn't name him, but he claimed his association with her and their marriage cost him his career. Johnny won all 3 defamation claims against Amber and was awarded $15 million in damages by the jury at the court in Fairfax, Virginia. Amber will only have to pay him $10.35 million due to a Virginia law capping punitive damages, but her representatives say she cannot afford this. In turn, Johnny was found to have defamed Amber on one of 3 countersuit claims she launched against him, and the Aquaman actress was thus awarded $2 million in damages by the court. Amber recently filed a request for a new trial, claiming that Juror 15 was not the individual summoned to sit on the panel. In response, Johnny's legal representative said the motion for a mistrial was untimely, insisting she had taken too long to lodge a challenge. Amber's lawyers asked the judge to set aside the verdict on multiple grounds, including an apparent case of mistaken identity with one of the jurors. One of the claims is based on the fact that a 77-year-old man was summoned for jury duty, but a 52-year-old man, who shares the same last name and address, was improperly seated for the 6-week trial. Johnny's legal team argued that, even if the juror mix-up is correct, the individual who sat on the panel and sided with him in the case was still vetted by the court. They added Amber had access to the purported new facts months ago and that she has failed to cite any unfair prejudice. The actor's lawyers called Amber's bid for a new trial desperate and outlandish. Ms. Heard's desperate, after-the-fact demand for an investigation of Juror 15 based on a purported error in his birth date is misplaced, they said. Moreover, Ms. Heard's argument is based on pure speculation. Following a 6-week jury trial, a jury of Ms. Heard's peers rendered a verdict against her in virtually all respects. Though understandably displeased with the outcome of the trial, Ms. Heard has identified no legitimate basis to set aside in any respect the jury's decision. Amber's motion was denied by Judge Penny Oscarate, according to documents seen by the Daily Mail.